Hey there, Alex Kidman here, and I'm in the middle of testing the phone that you can see in front of you, the HMD 110 4G. But then a thought struck me because this is a feature phone with a removable battery, and pretty much every time I do one of these reviews, I'll get viewer feedback saying, yeah, great, but how do I change the battery? How do I add a SIM card? So I thought I'd run through that on this phone while giving some tips generally on how this is done. So the trick with virtually all of these phones, and certainly with this one, is that pretty much the entire back comes off, and what you want to look for is a little groove. You should hopefully just be able to see that. Hopefully the camera's picking that up okay. Little groove into which you pop your thumbnail, or you can pop a little paper clip or whatever if that's what you want to do. And then the back is just a simple piece of flexible plastic. Just be a little bit careful here because you don't want to actually break the back. And that should then reveal the battery, which we can see under here. And then kind of the same trick really. Fingernail under there, battery comes out. That won't do great things to the power, but that's fine. I knew I was going to be doing this. And then under here, you can see I don't currently have a SIM card in either of the two SIM card slots, and I don't have a micro SD card in there. But that's how you would add those in. You would slide those into place. You then grab the battery. You want to find the part with the contacts there, so the little gold bits there. And camera's having some fun with its focusing here. Sorry about that. And then you just click that back into place. Pop the back on. It'll just pop back on with a kind of satisfying little click noise. You heard that. But a generalized tip actually for other brands of phone. In fact, it hasn't done it there. And so it's actually helping me here. It's always worthwhile checking around the sides because it hasn't done that here. I push down, it goes click, and then all of that is sealed and we're back to our nice looking phone. And if I hold down the power button for a couple of seconds there, it's now going to betray me, isn't it? It should power itself up. It's certainly thinking about it. What have I done here? No, there we go. There we go. It was just having a bit of thought. And that's pretty much all you need to do. My full review, shut up phone, my full review, I was doing this ad hoc, my full review will be up more than likely sometime next week. So stay tuned for that, but hopefully that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.